Engines are powerful machines, but their power doesn't come from one single part. It's the balance of several components working together in harmony. Among these, the fuel injection pump is a critical piece that determines how effectively fuel is delivered and how efficiently combustion takes place. Without it, even the most advanced engine would struggle to perform. That's why the fuel injection pump 4,999,467 XYohykai, designed for Cummins NT855 and NTA855 engines, stands out as such an important solution. The role of the fuel injection pump can't be overstated. It controls the timing and the amount of fuel injected into the combustion chamber, which directly impacts the power output, efficiency, and smoothness of the engine. For heavy-duty engines like the Cummins NT855 and NTA855, precision in this process is essential. These engines are often running under high loads in construction, logistics, or industrial operations, where downtime can be costly. Having a reliable pump ensures that operations continue without interruption. This pump has been engineered with durability at its core. High-quality materials and advanced machining allow it to handle the intense pressure and constant vibration that heavy-duty engines experience daily. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about ensuring that the pump can do its job thousands of times a day, over long periods, without wearing down prematurely. That kind of reliability is crucial when your equipment is in the field or on the road. Fuel efficiency is another area where this pump makes a big difference. Engines equipped with the 4,999,467 XYohykai injection pump see optimized combustion, which results in less wasted fuel. Over time, that means lower operating costs and better returns on investment. In industries where fuel is one of the largest ongoing expenses, even small improvements in efficiency can translate into substantial savings. Better combustion also leads to cleaner operation. When fuel burns more completely, emissions are reduced. That helps meet environmental standards and lowers the engine's overall impact. Cleaner burning also means less carbon buildup inside the engine, which reduces wear on other components and extends the overall life of the system. In short, one part, the fuel injection pump, contributes to both environmental compliance and engine longevity. Ease of installation is another strong point. Designed to match Cummins NT855 and NTA855 specifications, the pump fits seamlessly without unnecessary adjustments. For technicians, that means less time spent on complicated modifications and more time getting equipment back into service. Reduced downtime not only keeps machines running but also lowers labor costs. It's practical engineering that considers not just performance but also usability. In terms of performance, engines running this pump can expect smoother power delivery. That translates into consistent performance whether hauling, digging, or running industrial equipment. The difference can often be felt immediately: more stable operation, fewer fluctuations, and more predictable performance. In demanding applications, consistency isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. Another aspect worth mentioning is dependability. When engines operate in tough environments, every part needs to be trusted. A failed pump can lead to engine failure, costly repairs, and lost productivity. By choosing a robust, well-designed pump like the 4,999,467 XYohykai, operators are effectively safeguarding their engines against unexpected breakdowns. That peace of mind is one of the biggest benefits of investing in quality components. For fleets and industrial operators, this reliability translates into long-term cost savings. It's not just the price of the pump itself but the reduction in fuel waste, the prevention of breakdowns, and the improved uptime of machines. Those savings often outweigh the initial investment, making this pump not only a practical choice but also a financially sound one. Looking at the bigger picture, Cummins NT855 and NTA855 engines are workhorses across multiple industries. They're relied upon to perform in settings where failure simply isn't an option. From construction sites to transportation hubs, these engines power the backbone of many operations. That's why having a reliable injection pump isn't just about engine performance, it's about business performance. When engines run smoothly, projects stay on schedule, deliveries arrive on time,